got a Mrbeast lab swarms. I got this on sale at a local party city because it's closing. 2 mystery micro beasts inside. Special edition hard heads. Oh. You're ruining my video. Let's watch it fizz and bubble. I don't see no fizzing nor bubbling. Do you see fizzing and bubbling? I don't see fizzing and bubbling. Close the lid tightly and shake it for 30 seconds. Oh, got on my dog. All right, that's our, ew, dude. This is not a good toy. It's like not even dissolved. What the f? Mrbeast. Should I shake it more? Yeah, let's shake it more. Ew! Ew! Ugh, dude. Okay, here we go. Ew. They still have the all over them. That's our amazing toy. Stop! You're trying to die. Mrbeast hates animals. I'm gonna name this one Tinky.
Ew, it's getting on my teeth. What did you get?
So we got Boom Boom and Putrid Pest. So this is what we got here. And I don't know if it was worth it. I forget what I paid, but don't pay retail price. And as always, remember, Kobe sucks.
Did you like the Mrbeast toys?